Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy December! If you're new here, my name is Quinn, and for today's video, as you can already tell by the thumbnail, it's going to be an unboxing video. And this is actually not an item for me, it's for my mom. She's been wanting this bag for a very long time, but it's now discontinued, at least in the Monogram. So I helped her look on the pre-loved market, and I was able to find one in really good condition. So I'm so excited, and I got it for a really good price too. So I'm super excited to unbox it and share it with you. So if you're interested, continue watching. So here's the box. I have already unboxed it yesterday actually. I wanted to be able to inspect everything and then leave the girl who sold me a review. I didn't want to make her wait. Everything is perfect, and I repackaged everything so that I can re-unbox it and show you what the bag looks like. I actually really like this bag, and I'm hoping to be able to wear it with my mom whenever she's not using it. So yeah. Okay, so it didn't come in a Louis Vuitton box because, you know, like I said, it's pre-loved. She's been wearing it for a year now, so she doesn't have the box anymore. So here's the receipt, and then this is an authenticated card. And then she gave me a little thank you note. So sweet. She's the sweetest seller. It says, "Hey gorgeous, thank you so much for your purchase. Enjoy her. Please don't forget to leave a feedback. I would really appreciate it." Which I already did yesterday. Yeah, okay. Here he goes. Here. So here's the dust bag. Are you ready? Ta-da! It is the Louis Vuitton Iena in Monogram in the size MM. So it's the bigger size. And this is what the bag looks like. It's so pretty. It's pre-loved, and it's like in the best condition ever. You guys, like the flap on the side is still straight. A lot of them kind of curled up. A lot of like the pre-loved bags I was looking at curled up. This side is like perfect too, perfectly straight. And look at the patina on the bag. The coloring is like, it's so pretty. So the girl I bought this bag from, she's very OCD about her handbag. She never put this on the floor. She's like super careful about all her bags, so this bag is like in the best condition ever. I've seen other bags on the pre-loved market that had a lot of watermark stains and is in kind of like a beat up condition, but still is pretty pricey since this Monogram is discontinued. So I'm just so happy I'm able to find this one, and I know my mom would be super happy. My mom specifically wants this in the Monogram. It comes also in the Damier Bin and Damier Azur, which is still in store and sold online. This one is discontinued for some reason I don't see on the website anymore, and the sales associate in the store told me that it is no longer made. So I don't know why. Like, this is just so freaking stinking pretty. One reason that my mom really wanted this bag was for the handle. It's way softer than the Damier Bin handle. So anyways, enough chit-chatting. I want to open up the bag and show you what it looks like. Okay, so this is what it looks like in the front. You can see like the leather is just a beautiful color. Obviously it's not brand new. This was purchased in 2018 April, so it's actually like pretty new. She even stuffed the bags with airbags so it keeps its shape. I'm so grateful for sellers who really keep their bags in like great condition. So this is what the inside looks like. I don't know if you can see, but here is the lock. It's in perfect condition. She have never even used it. And then there are keys in here as well. And here's the product SKU and the care tab. The inside, I don't know if you can see the inside of the bag, but it's like clean, perfect, like brand new condition. There you go. Perfect. Oh, I had a lot of trouble trying to find the date code in this bag, and here is where the date code is located. This is a 2018 bag and the date code is right here. So I want to show you. There's 2 pockets in the back and the date code is right there. When I first got this bag, I was looking everywhere for the date code and I could not find it. I must have like skimmed through the pockets and missed the date code. But some other Iena bag, the date code is in the front. So here's the inside of the bag again. Here is a big pocket on this side. Okay, I want to give you a better look of the bag. This is the front, and when you open up the bag, there's 2 small pockets here. Fits this lock pouch, and then there's this side, and then here is the Louis Vuitton Paris, and then on this side there is a bigger pocket, and it will fit your phone perfectly. I have the iPhone X. Fits perfectly. It will fit the bigger iPhones as well, because you can see there's so much more room in here. I can also put my phone here or here. On the left side there's this little D-ring where you can hook up your like wallets and pouch. Look how clean the inside of this bag is. Oh my god, I'm so blessed. This is the side, bottom of the bag, and then the other side. The zipper is not as like smooth. It has a little resistance when you unzip it and zip. This is what the top of this bag looks like. And there's this little tassel. So there is this front pocket here where you can put your phone. It's pretty spacious. Like you can fit a lot of things in here. I know this is like not my bag, but like I love it so much, and I'm really planning to borrow this bag from my mom like all the time. And the reason why I love this bag so much is because of the zipper at top. So I'm the type of person that I really don't feel comfortable wearing like a neverfull, because I need my bag to have a zipper to keep my stuff safe and secure. The neverfull looks gorgeous and I love it a lot, but there's no zipper and everyone can just put their hands through your bag or see all your stuff. So this is like so perfect, and I can show you that I can fit a laptop in here. So look, perfectly, and there's so much more room. You can fit like so much stuff in this bag, and then you zip it up and not have to worry about people going through your bag. I take the CTA when I go to work, and I would feel so much more safe like taking a nap on the CTA knowing that my bag is zipped and no one is putting their hands in. I want to put the lock on the back to show you what it looks like. There is a hole on the front leather where you can just... Oh my god, it's so stinking cute. I just love that the leather is just so perfect on this bag. Like there's no watermark whatsoever. And it's like basically brand new because it was made in 2018. Okay, I'm gonna stuff the bag and I'm gonna show you what it looks like on me. This is what it looks like from the front. And then the side. And you can obviously carry it like this or like this. So for height reference, I'm 5'5", and this is what the bag looks like on me. I'm I'm really sad that they discontinued this bag because I think it's the perfect everyday bag ever. Not just for work, but like everyday wear. It's just casual. It's not anything fancy. Like you can go to the mall, you can do anything with it. And it's like nice enough where you can wear it to work. The perfect size. And it's very lightweight. Comment down below if you have any questions regarding this bag and I will answer them down below. And please give me a like if you enjoyed this video. And stay tuned because in my next couple of videos, I'm going to be doing a what's in my mini pochette and what I use my mini pochette for. So if you're interested, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and click the post notification bell so you get notified when I post next. And I will see you next time. Bye!